Hello and welcome to your YouTube channel iAcademy for you. Today's objective of learning is economics again, syllabus concerning to ICSE economics, chapter number 1 factor of production, and learning objective is number 1, which is apparently the seventh question in our series of video. Explain the function and importance of land. What are the factors affecting the productivity of land? Okay, let's start from the first one. So, the explain the function and importance of land. Now, in spite of being a passive factor, no production is possible without land. Whenever we think of producing anything, be it agriculture or production of mobiles or cars or motorbikes or anything, first thing we have to acquire, we have to think about is land. So it is a most important factor of production, though being a passive factor, but it's a most important. Production cannot be thought without land. Now, what are the importance of land? How it is important? It is very important to agriculture development. The type of land we have or reflects what kind of agriculture we have. Let's take the example of India. If we have good piece of land for producing good crop, we have good quality of crops, abundance of crop. For example, you can see in the middle part of India, middle and the northern part of India, you can see a lot of green area. This is the area of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. These are the places where a major portion of the crops are grown. Whereas you can see in the red part, that is a desert area which does not have any vegetation, very less vegetation rather. Talking internationally, in the world, land, those land in the Gulf area, they are not fertile for agriculture, but those areas in India, along with India, China, Brazil, are very fertile and they grow a lot of crops. Development of means of communication and transport. As we can see, the better the land, you have better means of transportation. You can see that the northern part and the eastern part of India is very less have a less network of railway as well as roadways, whereas in the rest of the part of India has a good network of railways, and the major portion of it is in the northern area because the land is friendly over there. But in the hilly areas, it's not very friendly. Railways cannot be built over there. Same as the road. Major portion of the road and the national highway, you can find it in the southern and the northern and the middle area of India. You cannot find most of the road in the northern area and the eastern region of northern area of Jammu and Kashmir and eastern area of Seven Sisters sister state. Now, importance to man, everything, be it computers, be it laptops, be it mobile phone, food, clothing, everything, we get it directly or indirectly from land. Be it oil, be it water, be it forest, be it rocks, be it minerals, any kind of things, everything we get it from land, and that is why it is most important for us. It is most important for man. Now let's talk about the second question. What are the factors affecting the productivity of land? Now, the productivity of land depends upon the capacity of the land to produce. What kind of goods it can produce, what kind of cultivation it can be produced there. That is the factor. Now, what are the factors on which it depends? The first one is natural factor. The better the land, the more fertile the land, the better will be the crop. We can see that some places are better for some crop and some are not. For example, in the Gangetic Plains you have better crop, whereas in the desert area you don't have crops. Human factor, it depends also on how human uses this land. If they are capable of using that land to the best of their ability, it can give higher productivities. Let's take the example of Japan. Japan has very less land, and it has also, it is one of the most fragile land, because it is more earthquake prone land over there. But however, the people over there has adapted to it and have used the land to the most, and that is why today they are one of the developed countries in the world, and they have a lot of power in the world. Improvement of land, let's I mean talking about the developed countries, all right, they have the capital, they have the money to go on and develop the land in the way they wish to. Whatever kind of land you have, if you have the correct kind of improvement, the land can give you better product. As we are seeing in the form of HYV seeds and the new ways of cultivation, where people are producing more goods out of very not fertile land. For example, drip agriculture in Israel, people are cultivating through this mechanism because there is a scarcity of land. So what kind of development, what kind of improvement you are making to that land to produce at the maximum, that also depends upon the productivity of the land. Location of the land which are more nearer to the river, nearer to the water source, are more fertile. Rather, those which are away from the river or the water source are not very fertile. So that also depends on the location of the land. The productivity depends upon the location of the land. Availability of capital, uh, developed countries like America, like Russia, like Britain, even if they don't have good quality of land, that can be improved with the help of better equipments, better capital goods, like harvesters, like machinery, like other things, so that they can produce more and more goods. I hope you've understood these two topics. Thank you very much. Press the like button and the subscribe button if you have liked the video. Thank you.